Hi, I'm John White. I'm the CTO of a company called tyGraph here in Canada, just outside of Toronto, Ontario. And I'm an MVP for both SharePoint and Power BI. My tutorial is going to cover the ins and outs of Power BI. We're going to go through how it's built, because I think that's important to understand if you're going to know how it works. But we're going to walk through all of the various components. We're going to show the way they work together, and we're going to show you all kinds of little tricks and best practices as to how to use it. Who's going to benefit? You're going to benefit if you're just curious about Power BI. We're gonna keep it at a basic level. But we're also going to get into some fairly advanced topics. So even if you're a user, you've used Power BI for a few weeks, a few months, you're going to pick up something new. A lot of this stuff comes from the field. So unless you've come across some of these particular circumstances, you may not already know it. So you'll never know what you miss if you miss it. You don't want to miss this talk. In this talk, you're going to get real world experience. I'm going to walk through years of experience with Power BI. We're going to show you what to avoid, what to think about. We're going to show you what's good and what's not good about Power BI, things to stay away from, things that you probably didn't know about, or some little tricks around reporting, specifically with SharePoint, that I don't think you're going to find anywhere else. You really don't want to miss this one.